Hello everyone, we are back in another video, and in this video this is my fourth analysis on XRP. So right now if you just see the price on the 3-minute or 1-minute chart, we can see the price is right now is significantly moving sideways and forming a triangular structure, and this is the same structure that we just see the past few months or the past few weeks. So if we just move this chart into 5-minute time frame, you can see the clear overview what I'm telling you. So if we just manage to get a break above or move sideways like this can give us a clear understanding on the price that we might move into sideways, and this can confirm us the current pivot level of support area more clearly. And if we just manage to break above the 3.26 level, which is crucial, and then we can see a potential breakout, and then this can happen. The breakout can significantly increase the price like the previous high. If we just see right about like 3.5 structure, and yeah, so basically I can give you the analysis on the basic of my understanding and my perception. And remember guys, there is no such a technical analysis based on these type of coin, and you cannot predict the market by seeing the chart. The only thing you can see is your confirmation, or you can say your entry price where you can enter the trade. And for example, if you just see the big retailers that is moving the market, they don't usually work on the chart, they just pump and dump the market. So this is the clear thing that most people lose their money. And if we just see the potential high, if we just move this potential high to the it was only 3.39 level, and the support area is on the 3.01 level and the 3.174 level, which is crucial. And if we just manage to maintain this pivot point, so we can see a break above on this chart. And we just need to wait for the January 20th, and January 20th is very important date for the XRP. If we just manages to break break above the structure right now, so maybe we can see another high on the 3.4 level, and then there will be a few percentage of the correction. And I am seeing the XRP right about 3.9 level, and which is my perception, which is the likely to happen. And I am giving you my prediction that it can go easily up to $4 if we just manage this to maintain the Fibonacci retracement, and everything manages to move. And if we just see the 1-hour chart, we can see that it is forming a triangular structure. And if we just take a look, as I give you my prediction previously, so as I gave you my prediction previously, it was forming the same structure, and then it's a massive breakout. And if it's like a one move or two move upward right now, we can see a potential like $4 mark. And my second prediction is like 4.5 level and 5.3 level. Then this thing we need to see a clear indication on these type of chart. So basically right now the market is moving like a diagonal pattern, and we can see a potential price breakout. And yeah, so right now if you just see the price is moving like upward, and if we just see the 1-minute chart, we need to see the break above around about 3.29 level. And yeah, so if we just manages to break the 3.29 level and break the previous high, then we can just go more upward trend. And yeah, so this is my prediction for the XRP. And yeah, so basically I will tell you to wait, and we can see a potential price at the 2.9 level. And yeah, so this is the biggest key area to see the price, and where you can buy the dip. And it has a potential to for the long term purpose, it has a potential to break the trend and go upward. Right now it's moving like quite high, and I think the pump will happen right now on the 3.2 level, or you can see on the previous swing low. So if we just manages to break the don't break the structure and just manages to get the pivot high, then we can just predict the where it can price go. But remember guys, these are some technical analysis, and don't believe on such stupid thing. You need to understand there is two things that you need to understand: your entry price and your exit price. This is the only thing that you need to watch, and the chart just don't happen and don't help us. Basically it can give us the, as you know, if you just see my chart on the daily time frame, you can see what is I am just seeing right now. I'm just seeing the previous high and low and resistance level, as you can see on the micro scale. And if we just open this chart on the macro scale, you can see the clear identification that where are we moving right now. And this is it for the video. And if you like this video, make sure you guys like and follow me for more. And if you like more technical analysis video on XRP or other coin, then drop me your favorite coin and we will do an analysis. So my target of the XRP is like around about 3.3 level. We need to show some upward potential, and the 3.9 level again. If we just manages to break these level, then a new high will place around about like $4. And yeah, so these are some prediction on XRP. Thank you guys for more video, and follow me for more.